Greetings, ITCE students, and welcome to week 11. And this is video number 1, and it's going to cover slides 1 through 5. I'm going to introduce this week's topic, which is cover letters, and introduce what is a cover letter. So we're going to divide this up into the format of your cover letter, what goes in the heading, and then the first paragraph, middle paragraph, and closing paragraph. And we'll kind of go through some activities, and I'll point you to some resources that you can use to help you identify what to write in each of those sections. And then kind of at home, although it's all at home, on your own, I want you to view the slides about references and create a references page and finish this assignment. So remember, the most important thing about this assignment is you must target it to a specific job. So you have to submit a picture of the job posting that you're applying for, pretend applying for, with your cover letter and resume in order for me to mark the assignment. Okay, so cover letter. So remember, we looked at this slide last week. It's part of the hiring process that the HR department will be looking after, and it's part of your sales pitch. So what is a cover letter specifically? So a cover letter should be written, a unique, separate one written for every job that you apply for. You might tweak it a bit. You might have some master template that you use, but you need to target it to that specific job. And you're going to do that by explaining why you have a kind of fit for that job or that company. What makes you a little bit different, or what relationship do you have? Because you're going to have lots of people applying for the job that have the exact same academic credentials as you. So what makes you a better fit? That's what you're trying to illustrate in the cover letter or point out to them. And it shouldn't repeat exactly what's on the resume. And very importantly, it's evidence of your written communication skills, your ability to write a professional business letter. So that's what is a cover letter and what we're doing today. So we'll move forward in a minute and talk about targeting.